Hello everyone. Today happy to provide you with a detailed overview of Joe Biden for this video. If you don't subscribe a channel, please go and subscribe a channel. Joe Biden, full name Joseph Robinette Biden JRB, is an American politician who served as the 46th President of the United States. He was born on November 20, 1942 in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Biden's political journey began with his election to the New Castle County Council in 1970. He went on to serve as a U.S. Senator from Delaware from 1973 to 2009. During his time in the Senate, he played key roles in various legislative initiatives, such as the Violence Against Women Act and the Comprehensive Crime Control Act. He also served as the chairman of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. Biden first ran for the Democratic presidential nomination in 1988, but withdrew due to a plagiarism scandal. He ran again in 2008, but dropped out after early primaries. However, his political career took a significant turn when he was chosen by Barack Obama as his running mate for the 2008 presidential election. They won, and Biden became the Vice President of the United States, serving from 2009 to 2017. As president, Biden has focused on a wide range of policy issues. Here are some key areas he has addressed. COVID-19 pandemic. Biden took office during the COVID-19 pandemic and initiated a comprehensive plan to combat the virus. He launched a vaccination campaign with the goal of vaccinating a large portion of the American population. Infrastructure. One of Biden's major initiatives has been the American Jobs Plan, a massive infrastructure and jobs proposal aimed at rebuilding and modernizing the country's infrastructure, including transportation, broadband, and clean energy projects. Climate change. Biden rejoined the Paris Agreement on climate change, aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote clean energy solutions. He also hosted a virtual leaders summit on climate to rally global support for climate action. Social and racial justice. The Biden administration has been vocal about addressing issues of racial inequality and social justice. He signed executive orders promoting racial equity and took steps to reform the criminal justice system. Foreign policy. Biden has focused on rebuilding alliances and reasserting American leadership on the global stage. He has taken a tougher stance on Russia and China and sought to restore diplomatic relations with key partners. Economic policies. The Biden administration has pursued economic relief measures to support individuals and businesses affected by the pandemic. This includes the American Rescue Plan, which provided direct payments to Americans and extended unemployment benefits. Like any political figure, Biden has faced his share of challenges and criticisms. Some of the common criticisms include concerns about the federal budget deficit due to his ambitious spending proposals, immigration policies, and debates over the extent of government involvement in various sectors. Joe Biden's political journey spans decades of public service, and his presidency has been marked by a focus on tackling pressing issues such as the pandemic, climate change, and economic recovery. As with any political figure, opinions on his leadership vary widely, but his impact on American politics is undeniable. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.